I used to use ChatGPT for absolutely everything, every single day. Why? Because it's the famous one. Let's be honest. When you hear the word AI, ChatGPT is the first thing that pops into your head, right? But here's the truth. Using one AI for everything is like trying to use a Swiss Army knife to chop down a tree. It works, but you're making it way harder than it needs to be. So, today I'm going to save you some time and tell you exactly which AI you should actually use for which specific task in 2026. Let's start with the OG ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT as your super capable best friend who knows a little bit about everything. In 2026, it's still the king of versatility. Need to write a quick email, brainstorm dinner ideas, or generate a quick image? ChatGPT is your go to. It's fast, it has all the best integrations, and it just gets everyday tasks. But fair warning, sometimes it talks a bit too much, and if you aren't careful, it can still confidently make things up. It's great for quick wins, but maybe don't trust it blindly with complex research. Now slide over to Claude. If ChatGPT is your energetic friend, Claude is the thoughtful, detail oriented professor. Claude's superpower right now is deep reasoning and massive memory. You can literally drop a 500-page PDF or a massive spreadsheet into Claude and say, summarize this. And it actually does it without losing its mind. It's also the absolute best at writing that sounds beautifully human, not robotic. If you need nuance, deep analysis, or you're trying to debug complex code, Claude is your MVP. It takes its time, but the quality is usually top tier. Finally, we have Gemini. Gemini is your hyper-connected research assistant because it's tied directly to Google's ecosystem. It's the undisputed king of real-time information. Need to know what happened in the news 5 minutes ago? Want to analyze a 20-minute YouTube video? Or need it to pull data straight from your Gmail and Google Drive? Gemini does it seamlessly. It's incredibly fast and handles video and audio better than anyone else right now. So, which one should you actually use? Here's your 2026 cheat sheet. Use ChatGPT for everyday brainstorming, quick tasks, and image generation. Use Claude when you need to read huge documents. Write something that sounds human or do heavy coding. And use Gemini when you need real-time facts, video analysis, or deep Google integration. Honestly, the real winner is using all three but keeping them in their own lanes. Which one is your daily driver right now? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.